Okay, I just wanted to demonstrate how using ordinary pegs, sometimes when people have had hand surgery and their fine motor skills are compromised, sometimes it's very difficult with new pegs, be they plastic or wooden, to actually be able to grasp and to open the pegs because they wouldn't necessarily have the strength to do so. So whenever I was introduced to WigglyPegs, I find these absolutely amazing for everyday use. I think they're amazing because you don't need to be pushing any weight to the peg to make it open to put it on the line. It's a full complete component there, and really what you're doing is you're putting it on the line and pushing it down like that. You're not using any of your fine motor skills at all. They're good and big for the hands to hold on to, and they're easy to remove as well. Now, sometimes people like me with disabilities can't always hang things on lines. I've had great difficulty. Sometimes I've had to use my teeth, and I've actually damaged my teeth hanging stuff on a line in the past. Years and years of trying to use pegs like this that don't have any, the mechanism's too stiff. I also find that when I used ordinary pegs, trying to take things off the line as well, with being compromised with my disability, you find that things wrapped in around the mechanisms with the wind blowing very, very hard, and I found that these are really difficult to use. So I think these are amazing, simply because it makes wash day, when I can hang things out in the line, a lot easier for me to do, and bringing them in as well.